This because ECDE is an integral part in the development of our child's or children, both psychological and academic and social. We purpose to also make sure that the learning environment in our centers is maintained to proper standards and turn them into centers of excellence. I did promise at the time of campaign and gearing towards it, make sure those centers are centers of excellence. We have a population of over 70,200 ECD learners admitted in 703 centers. We have already embarked on the construction of modern ECDE classrooms throughout the county. Number 8, to establish modern centers. I did mention when the president was around that we have done very well. There are more classrooms again we are doing to meet the needs of our society. We're going to put more money in the construction of those classrooms. It will not be business as usual. Walikuwa wamefanya sijui something, and I want to repeat, we have committed 127 ECDE classrooms. You don't have ziko wapi, I'll show you mine kama unataka kuona. Lakini as long as you bear the cost of moving around because you are there and you don't do it. Kwa hivyo niko prepare kuonyesha. Kumi yuko kazi, mtafurahia kwa kazi. Sasa, nitapeana direction yako. Organizing a commitment to service delivery at our ECDE centers, I hereby ask the public county public service board to consider retaining the service of the teachers who have attained 50 years and above on contract terms on a renewable basis. Kwa hivyo hata hawa wako kwa contract lazima we must consider them as a whole. Kwa hivyo terms and conditions are already. Sasa Chairman, with your team, kindly look into the issue, confirm these guys on the contract with your opinion. Sasa, I'm very hata tunajua TSC ikifika 45 hakuna hakuna system ya kwamba lazima mkue kwa hiyo contract na you get the same